compañeras. This is your one and only pretty boy Alex, and you're on at 199.3 Radio Broadcasting Station. Hello guys, be glad and grab your breakfast, because we have a lot of good news for today. This is our first news. As of today, taxpayers are paying tax will be reduced by 5% starting tomorrow, approved by President Benigno Simeon Aquino III, so we can bring much more income to our family. Oh, that's good, right guys? I'm paying my tax almost 1,000 pesos, and it will be reduced by 5%, it will become 850. That's a big thing. Thanks, Mr. President. Okay, and this is our second news. Our candidate Shamsi Zubzub won the third place at the Miss Universe 2011 pageant. But DOJ Secretary Laila Relima quite disgusted of what place Shamsi get. Says that it had a technical difficulties. Even though Shamsi didn't win the crown, many Pinoy fans are proud to be. Third news. Typhoon Padring hits Marikina City. Marikina River raised their alarm to level 6. By themselves, the residents go to evacuation centers to prevent the incidents that happened last year at Typhoon Ondoy. Provincial news. 20 bags of Victory Liner at Panay Rizal have been burned by an unidentified man caught on CCTV cameras. He easily escapes to their compound. The operatives suspecting the NPA group was responsible by this crime. Before we take a short break, we had the breaking news. Transport Group Piston having their nationwide strike today. Many places at Quezon City have been isolated by traffic caused by the rallies sitting over and posting placards to the center of the roads. Piston Speaker Moilan Morley confirmed to us that they accommodate nearly 100% of jeepneys and jeepney drivers under them institution. Just an advice to our beloved motors: use our alternative roads and be calm on traffic. And now we will take a short break. Don't go away! Ikaw ang kanlungan ng nangangailangan. Ikaw ang pag-asa at kinabukasan. Haplos mo ay lunas sa bawat pagal. Salamat sa iyong dampi ng pagmamahal, PCSO. And now we're back. Let's move on to our next news. President Benigno Simeon Aquino III, with 150 businessmen, state visits in United States of America and get investments worth $40 million for the expansion of the business entrepreneurship here in the Philippines. I'm just curious, why the performance of our president falling down? But we have our proof that he is working hard. Speaking of working hard, Shinowa Company of Japan para job opening and job interviews at SM Mall of Asia. Tomorrow morning, finding skilled workers at just high school graduate. Bring 2 valid IDs and birth certificate, 18 to 50 years old only. Sports news. Tigadora.
Thank you, Tart. Mayweather win against Miguel Ortiz in knockout on round 4 as of the game. Ortiz done technical headlock on Mayweather's face. Ortiz pleased and embraced, but Mayweather took the
Evelyn. Foreign news! Two Pinay housemate of leader Muhammad Gaddafi has been released and will be back here in the Philippines as soon as possible. The son of Gaddafi died because of the gunshot by anti-Gaddafi force. Tripoli is under control by the civilian armed force. Middle East, Saudi Arabia pulling out their Filipino nurses throughout their hospitals. King Abdullah of Saudi said that they will prioritize their own citizens to have opportunities on working as nurse to them country. So, many Filipino nurses would be fired and took back to Philippines. Don't go away, stay tuned. Ikaw ang kanlungan ng nangangailangan. Ikaw ang pag-asa at kinabukasan. Haplos mo ay lunas sa bawat pagal. Salamat sa iyong apdampi ng pagmamahal. PCSO. Now we're back. Philippine Airlines fired their employees, almost 300, that go in the rally strike. The tension affects the flight of many passengers. Express News. Value-added tax in toll gates on our expressways cannot be stopped, and even the bus companies and local travelers will be alarmed and overreact. Time check, guys, 8:54 a.m. I'm sorry, guys, we have to say goodbye. And this is our latest hot news for today. Tugstuga na! Teach me how to dog by Mr. Louie Calipa.
Hey, hey, teach me how to dug it, hey. They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to dug it? You know why? Cause all the girls love me, hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and dump it, hit it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody fitting with my bro from on the side. He go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I D-Town boogie. I show my moves on there, everybody tryna do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies tryna screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it all day. Dudes love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Females be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started gloomy. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck.
Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck.
Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
The name is John. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to Dougie. I step up in the club and all these girls but me. Your boy dancing, none of them know me. I hear the squad screaming like